Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm going to show for you an easy dream hamburger recipe as your main course. And I'm going to do a mesclun mixed salad with roasted pears with Parmesan cheese and a raspberry vinaigrette. And we're going to, for the dream hamburgers, I'm going to saute onions and mushrooms, and we're going to have Munster cheese on them with fresh rolls. But first, I'm going to make a mayonnaise maple syrup dip because I'm going to roast sweet potato fries. So you want to take about a cup of mayonnaise, and this is all by taste because I'm using a pure maple syrup. So whatever you have available, it's going to go by taste. I'm putting in a tablespoon of maple syrup. And I'm going to taste it. I like it very sweet. I'm going to add another tablespoon. That should do it. And this I'm going to put in the refrigerator to use for the dinner after the sweet potato fries are baked. Next I'm going to be prepping two different kinds of pears for the mesclun mixed raspberry vinaigrette pear salad with Parmesan cheese. I'm going to cut off the top. Slices that can be grilled or sauteed. I want to cut out the core. I'm using two different kinds of pears, Basque and Anjou. Next I'm going to have ready the grilled peppers, mushrooms, and onions for the hamburgers. I want to slice them down. You can either grill or saute the peppers. Next I'm going to be doing onions. You want to slice the onions fairly thick to grill them. Again, you can either grill them on a barbecue or saute them in a pan over high heat. I prefer olive oil, especially an extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. Slice down. This you can do ahead of time and have them ready on the side next to your grill. Next I'm going to show you how to wash a mushroom. Mushrooms have this dirt on them, and you prefer not to put them under water, but you use a paper towel and wet it and then wipe them off. The water makes them too soggy. So again, I'm going to slice them. Especially when you're having a dinner party, you'd like to have all your prep done ahead of time. You can use any kind of mushrooms. Shiitake, portobello. These are cremini or baby bellas. There's all different kinds. There's oyster.
Yep.
Next, I'm going to core out the tomato. Prep it, slices for the hamburgers. This time of the year, in the summer, you have the best vine-ripened tomatoes. Next, I'm going to slice the Kaiser roll in half, have them ready for the burgers. You want to use a good serrated bread knife. Next I'm going to roast the pears that I sliced before. Put a baking spray. I like to use olive oil. You can either grill these on the grill or roast them in the oven. Spread them out on the baking sheet. This is going to be in a 425-degree oven. And because it's a 425-degree oven, I can do two things at the same time. I'm going to roast sweet potato fries or maple syrup mayonnaise at the same time. Next I'm going to saute the onions, peppers, and mushrooms. Have them ready on the side for the hamburgers. I'm going to do this separately. I put in an extra light olive oil. I prefer first cold pressing, which is a little bit more expensive, but it's better for you. You want to get the onions really golden color. They're nicely sauteed. This generally takes about 10 minutes start to finish. This is now finished. See the nice golden color. Put it in a bowl. Next I'm going to saute the same way with a little oil. Peppers, same way as the onions. Some people don't like onions, some people don't like peppers, some people don't like mushrooms. So that's why you do everything separate. The idea of dream hamburgers is that you can put whatever you want on or in the burger. You could put these, you could have put this chopped up fine, put it inside the burger. You could put cheese, like a blue cheese, that would melt inside the burger.
How do you get inside the burger?
Well, you have the chopped meat, and you open it up, and take it apart, and then put the filling inside and close it back up. Okay, I'm taking them off, putting in the bowl on the side. Next I'm going to do the mushrooms. Getting a little bit of olive oil. They soak up a lot of the oil, but in this case you really don't want to use too much oil because everybody's watching their trans fats. With all those low-carb diets out today. My pears, cooking nicely. A little bit more time. The fries need some more time. But
Switch to racks.
I switched to racks because I wanted the fries not to be too close to the heat. These are wilting, so you can see that they're almost done. See how nicely they wilted? I'm going to spray the grill. A little bit of oil. They do make today an oil for the grill. Take about 10 minutes each side. For the pear salad, this is my pear salad, finished. Do a bed of the mesclun greens. the roasted pears, have some dried cranberries for color, and some Parmesan cheese. This is a really lovely salad for the summertime. And then we're going to use a raspberry vinaigrette at the table service. Flip my burgers. Okay. And I wanted about a medium rare on an instant read thermometer. This is an instant read thermometer. I want it to read about 130 for a medium rare. Putting the hamburger on the roll, and everybody can take what they want from these assorted sauteed dishes and the cheese. A little bit of this on here, give it a good shake. Like so. This is a salad. Fries and my maple syrup mayonnaise. That's it.